Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Square payments using OAuth access tokens. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Square payments using OAuth access tokens, start by registering your application with Square. Visit the Square developer portal and create a new application. After creating your app, note your application ID and client secret. Next, you will need to set up a redirect URL. This URL is where users will be sent after they authorize your application. Ensure that this URL is correctly configured in your Square app settings. Now, you'll need to construct the authorization URL. This URL includes your application ID, the desired scopes, and the redirect URI. Direct your users to this authorization URL to initiate the OAuth flow. Once users authorize your app, Square will redirect them to your specified redirect URL. This URL will include a code parameter that you will use to obtain an access token. Capture this code parameter from the query string of the redirect URL. Next, create a post request to Square's token endpoint. In the request body, include your application ID, client secret, and the captured authorization code. Make sure to set the content type to application/JSON. Send the post request to receive the access token in response. Store this access token securely for future API calls. Now you can use this access token to authenticate API requests to Square. Remember to handle token expiration as needed. Periodically refresh the access token if your application requires long-term access. Finally, ensure that your application complies with Square's terms of service. With these steps, you are now capable of authenticating with Square payments using OAuth access tokens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.